Yes, yes.
Okay. All the best. Ladies and gentlemen, as we are about to begin ICSC 2020 virtual, may I request you to kindly mute your audio to avoid interruption. Thank you for your kind cooperation and attention. Good morning, distinguished guests, eminent speakers, and delegates. My name is Archana, and I am associated with PMFI as a regional director. It is my honor to welcome this August gathering to PMFI's 15th edition of International Crop Science Conference and Exhibition, which is organized every year in the month of November in India. But due to the present scenario of pandemic world over and India, the PMFI shifted this mega event on virtual platform. Virtual platform also gives a great opportunity to reach out to huge number of people to connect and exchange their views very efficiently. We are quite optimistic about grand success of this event. ICSCE is the biggest and only agri-input trade show in India that brings together several stakeholders from the industry, including distributors, suppliers, technical executives, research and development professionals, manufacturers, exporters and importers, agronomists, research institutions, scientists, traders, journalists, supply chain managers and cooperatives, venture capitalists, and financial representatives, service providers, farmers and dealers, allied chemicals and packaging material suppliers, seed companies, manufacturers of spraying and irrigation equipments, plantation and horticulture products, manufacturer and distributors of agrochemical, biopesticides, biofertilizers, and micronutrients, and all those directly or indirectly associated with agri-inputs industry. With this small introduction about PMFI's ICSCE, now I welcome President of PMFI, Mr. Pradeep Dave. Mr. Pradeep Dave needs no introduction as he is well-known personality among the pesticide industry. He has contributed more than 4 decades for the upliftment of Indian pesticide industry. He is born visionary with commitment to bring real change. I request Mr. Pradeep Dave, the Mahanayak of Indian pesticide industry, to open the ICSCE by lighting the lamp and deliver the welcome address. Dave sir, please.
Yes.
Mr. Dave sir, please.
Yes. Archana.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What you want? I'm on the. Yes.
Sir, kindly give the welcome address and lightning the lamp.
Okay.
Ma'am, we will start the lamp lighting. So then sir can deliver the address.
Yes.
Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. We'll just play it.
Dave sir, kindly give your welcome address.
Yeah. Good morning, everybody, and also good evening, everybody, because we are globally, this has been organized. On behalf of Pesticide Manufacturer and Formulators Association of India, PMFAI, I welcome you all to the 15th International Crop Science Conference and Exhibitions. As you all are aware, the COVID-19 pandemic has impacted every sphere of the human activities, and world is still navigating through the challenges and new normal challenges, forced to adopt a new ways. And this time we are compelled to organize this 15th ICSC on 3D virtual platform. As far as agriculture and agri-input sectors are concerned, despite of challenging time, we are inspired by the resilience of farming community and the agri-input sector in India and all over the world, which ensured food security without disturbance in the food supplies. Agriculture sector at the minimum impact comparatively with the other sectors. The good news is a global market remain well supplied and the price stable without much hike in December 20 from January 20 price. Few countries, including India, faced a crisis within crisis due to the locust attack, and the bad phase has also passed through. As battle against COVID-19 still continues, a technology helps us to remain connected and maintain trade and economic affairs through the virtual platform. I am delighted to welcome our eminent speakers, sponsors, and exhibitors, and all the participants and the delegate of this 15th International Crop Science Conference and Exhibition. Talking about the event, prior to this beginning, from the year 1997, PMFI has successfully organized 14 such international conference and exhibition in the past, and 8 in India, and 6 events in other countries like Thailand, Malaysia, Turkey, Russia, UAE, and Kenya. These events have provided a good platform to gain considerable mileage in the increasing our trade globally. Being a national association representing agrochemical industry in India and internationally, PMFI has played a very important role in Indian agriculture and made substantial contribution for the sustainable growth of Indian agriculture and Indian agrochemical industry. The Indian crop protection chemical industry has played a vital role in increasing India's agriculture productivity and thereby emerging food security of the nation. PMFI is also founder member of the AgroCare Global Association established in the year 2007. The headquarters is at Brussels, Belgium, along with the Industry Association CCPI from China, ECA from Europe, and AgroCare Latin America to protect the interest of indigenous manufacturer and generic pesticide at international forums such as FAO, WHO, UNIDO, WTO, and UNDP. Agriculture holds a prime importance in the socio-economic fabrics. And in India, it is a backbone of Indian economy as it employs more than 50% of India's workforce and contributes 17% to the national GDP. India, with cultivated land area of 155 million hectares, currently ranked second in the world agriculture output with the value of around 459 US billion, and eighth largest agriculture produce export with the value of around 35 billion. Indian agriculture and its farming community not only have the aim to produce enough food for its own growing population, but also have to cater the global needs, food and nutrition. The task becomes more challenging in the era of climate change and ever reducing farmland due to industrializations and urbanization, which force conversion of agricultural land to a non-agriculture uses. India is the fourth largest global producer of agrochemicals after US, Japan, China, and currently Indian pesticide industry's market size is estimated around 6.4 US billion dollar, with export accounting to tune of 3.4 billion dollar. The industry is expected to grow at an average 8% to 10%. Here I would also like to remind, when PMFI started the efforts in 1997 to promote export, agrochemical was from India was around $60 million, and now it has reached to US $3.4 billion, and we are continuing our efforts. The expertise of Indian companies in generic segment, producing wide range of world-class technical and formulations significantly contributed to the growth of Indian exports. India, with strong basic manufacturing setup and process know-how, afford quality pesticide to the world market, and it is for the reason that even many MNCs are sourcing generic products from India, and keeping in view the potential and growing market, all major MNCs are operating in India since 1960. While investment in agrochemicals and R&Ds are declining worldwide, it has grown in India. It has grown in India as Indian companies have increased their expenditure in research and innovation. R&D in seed and biotechnology in also increasing in India. By organizing ICSC, PMFI aims to bring the researchers, experts in the field of agriculture, manufacturer, and traders in agrochemical and allied industries together in one platform and discuss and get acquainted with the recent trends as well as development in agrochemical industry. Likewise, the event provides opportunity for increasing cooperation and expansion of business and trade and networking opportunity for buyers sellers and benefit mutually. I'm sure today and tomorrow in the conference during first session, our eminent speaker will enrich us an important subject concerning to crop protection industry. The subject of presentation in the conference during today and tomorrow for every key for all of and all will help improving our knowledge in various aspects. On this occasion, I would like to give a very good news about my dear friend Sri Rajubhai Shroff, Chairman and Managing Director of UPL Limited, who is honored with one of the highest civilian award in India, Padma Bhushan. UPL Limited is number one ranked agrochemical company in India and number 5 ranked in agrochemical company in the world. Our heartiest congratulations to Sri Rajubhai Shroff. Before concluding my speech, I would like to thank all our partners, supporters, and our eminent speaker. My special thanks to PMFI staff, Aparna, Dr. Archana, Hariharan, Avinash, Poonam, and Mr. Sanjay for their efforts. Concluding my speech, I wish all participants a very good luck for their online business meeting over the next 2 days. The extended 4 days exhibition will also help continuing trade related communication with interested partners. I also give my invitation to all of you for ICSC 21 in Goa, November. Thank you. Jai Hind.